Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Share Alive. In this video, I would like to show you this new mini flat bag. It's also called My Perfect Mini. It's a new version from Chanel 21K season, and I like the length of this bag and also the chain strap. And in this video, you will be seeing some unboxing and size comparison, and also compare it with the old mini 17cm long with this new version, and also we'll be having some model shooting photos and all that. Please stay watching. 今日咧好高興可以俾大家睇呢一個新嘅21K 季節嘅seasonal bag， 一個都係非常之好多人中意嘅袋。咁呢個因為係19cm 啦，可以放到新一季 iPhone 13 Pro Max 嘅電話喎，加上佢個手帶呢度咧個 chain strap 咧係可以調校咧，就令到咧呢一個係即係可以係俾任何身高嘅人孭嘅。咁呢一條片咧就會俾大家睇開箱啦，佢嘅 size 啊有咩特別啦，同埋對比翻舊嗰個17cm嘅 version 有啲咩size 嘅 different 啦，擺到啲咩啦，同埋一啲上身圖 video 嘅。咁我哋而家去片啦喎。Hi guys, hello。咁喺呢個 section 咧，我就想俾大家睇呢個袋真實可以擺到啲咩喎。I'm gonna show you guys what this bag can fit in. And I'm quickly gonna show you this mini square in the old version. And it's in 17cm long, and this is in 19cm long. The most different things is the strap. Can be adjustable， 即係舊嗰個嘅 mini square 咧係唔可以調節佢個鏈啦，咁但係新呢個咧就可以嘅。佢係呢一個撳開嘅位啦，就去拉上拉落嘅。When you press here, you can adjust the strap length shorter or longer. And now I'm going to measure。我而家咧就去量度一下佢個 chain strap drop 喎。Is 58cm train strap drop, and this is the longest version。即係我拉到最盡嘅時候咧，佢係有58嘅 cm 嘅長度啦。And now I'm gonna shorten it to the shortest version, which is like double shorter. Okay, hold on. So up to here, if I do it this way, the shorter version, the chain strap drop is gonna be a lot different. Come on, let's have a look. It's 46, yeah, it's 46 drop here. And if you want to have the double strap in the same length, let me gonna adjust here. It's gonna be like this, and yeah, this is the shortest version. Is about 27. The old mini square, the chain strap drop is 51cm, about 50 or 51 cm. So for comparison, yeah, the strap cannot be adjustable. 咁呢個21K 新一季嘅 My Perfect Mini 咧嘅 flat bag 咧，就係喺我手頭上呢一個咧就係叫做 iridescent pink 嘅。 This beautiful bag is in iridescent pink color, season 21K season. And 今季咧其實係有4個顏色啦。In this season, there are 4 colors for you guys to choose, which is one of them is the iridescent pink, and the other one is the iridescent light blue, and the other one is the black one, and also the iridescent green, which is the 4 colors. And the most beautiful part 最靚嘅地方係因為呢個調教鏈咧係可以拉長拉短咧，可以譬如我而家咧就係雙鏈嘅 version 嚟嘅。Now I'm gonna show you guys the double version, the chain strap here, which is the shortest versions of the chain strap length. 咁佢嘅 detail 呢度咧就係有兩邊都係有 Chanel 嘅字啦，印咗黑咗啦。There embossed the Chanel logo here, and the front and the back also, and then both side here 兩邊都有 Chanel 嘅字，前後都有 CC 嘅 logo 嘅。And one side of the bag here 一邊咧就係有一個呢度有一個 CC 嘅字嘅 ，and the other side is only a clip here and with a small CC logo here。咁咧呢一個嘅 hardware 咧 ，the hardware of this bag is in brush gold hardware， 係有啲做舊嘅金嘅顏色嚟嘅。The classic design of Chanel， 即係Chanel 嘅 design 咧最 classic 咧就係呢一個 CC logo 嘅 twist lock 啦。咁而喺呢個袋上面咧，你可以揾到佢嘅 classic 嘅味道啦。And also the quilting is larger than the older version。佢嘅菱格紋咧係比一般嘅 classic flap 咧，或者佢嘅 mini 版嗰啲咧係大啲嘅，可以睇到佢嘅 quilting 咧係大啲嘅。And for the leather， 佢嘅皮質咧 is in caviar leather， but is kind of like thick caviar leather。佢嘅質感咧望落去咧係好厚嘅 caviar leather， 你可以見到佢嘅 side 啦，佢呢兩個嘅皮質咧，呢一個係厚啲嘅，咁所以佢前面咧就比較容易有呢個 creasing 喺度啦。咁但係咧講堅硬嚟講咧，係舊版係比較實際啲，呢個撳落去咧比較腍啲。雖然佢望落去好似厚，但係佢嘅皮質咧係比較 soft 啲。And at the back there are no pocket。咁新嘅呢一個 mini flap bag 咧係冇袋喺後邊嘅，咁而舊版係有㗎，唔知大家中意有定冇咧？其實有咧，好有the new version of mini flap bag has no pocket, and the older version has. I personally like without pocket。我自己個人咧就唔係好中意有袋喺後邊 ，and you will have some kind of scarfing from the time of using it。即係因為咧平時孭袋咧後邊 pocket 就會有摩擦啦，喺同你啲衣服裏邊。呢個袋咧而家入邊咧我都想俾大家睇下。I'm gonna show you guys the inside. Interior look is the fabric lining， 係一個布質嘅內籠嚟嘅。If you guys would like to see more model shooting of this bag on me, I'm 158 cm tall. Please go to my IG to see more photos. And 如果大家想睇多啲上身圖咧，就請去到我哋嘅 IG share live 嘅名咧都係一樣嘅。咁咧我就會影咗好多上身圖啦。咁我係158 cm 身高嘅。